Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable sleep mode on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So do a swipe up on your phone and open up settings. From here, you want to go ahead and open up modes and routines. Now, once you're here, you will see sleep, right? So once you tap on sleep, you can turn this on. And if you scroll down, you will see what are the options comes with sleep mode. So as you can see, once you turn on the sleep mode, your phone will also have do not disturb enabled and also grayscale. And that's all you need to do to enable the sleep mode. So you're basically, once you turn on the sleep mode, your phone will match the mood or routine based on those actions, right? So there are some settings that are there that you can enable or even disable once you turn on a particular mode. And that's how you do it once you turn on sleep mode. Very easy and very simple, guys. Now, in order to turn this off, all you have to do is just simple tap on turn off, and it will turn off the sleep mode and your phone will go back to its normal state. Very easy and very simple.